Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna play race. So this is my Ferrari 250 GTO car. So this is the door and we can open it. This is the back door. This is the front door. And this is the engine. So let's close it now. Okay, so now all of them are gonna close. So let's get started. Race. RR regulation. Pro. Go race. Now it's loading. Oh, it's here. Okay, so Angel versus Clinton. Okay, so here's a straight Toyota 86 and here's Ferrari 250 GTO. Okay, so let's their start will begin. One, go. Let's go to start. Okay, he's so fast, but we don't like that he's a winner. We have to try to win this game. We're almost there. Yay, we won. We win. Yay, we won. We're the winner. So let's do another race. Okay, so now we're gonna play in Legend style. So let's get started. Go race. Okay, so it's loading. Leveling up earns you free gold. Okay. Oh, it's now started. Okay, so it's Chris. We have Cooper S, and our is Ferrari 250 GTO. Okay, so it's showing how it is. So let's get started. And 2, 1, go. Okay, so our Ferrari is really running fast, and he's so back, and I think we're gonna win again this time. Yay! We win again. Oh yeah! Now Chris is the loser, and we won. Now let's do next race. Okay, again we are doing a new race with Petty. We have Golf GTI. Which car is it? I can see. Oh, it's Volkswagen. Okay, so let's see if we can win or not this time. 2, 1, go. Let's see if we can win or not. Because it's so fast. I think we're gonna be winner again this time. Yay, we won again. Oh yeah. Getting lost, and we're doing again a next race. So let's go. Read the crew members to stand out. I can't read. Okay, so this time we got Lewis. We have Veloster Turbo R Spec. Okay, which car is it? It's Hyundai. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go! It's perfect start. Okay. It's super fast. I think the Hyundai car will be lost, or maybe it will be the loser. I think we won again. This is the 4th time that we won. Oh yeah. Lose, lost. Okay, so let's do next race. Okay, it's loading now. Okay, so this is our Ferrari. Oh, we're playing again with that loose. Okay. I think it was the car Hyundai. Let's lose him again. So 3, 2, started. Go race. It's loading. It will take time. Okay, so here's our Ferrari and someone named David. His car is A110. Which car is it? I think it's Alphin. Okay, so let's 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I think we will win this one. We can do this game. We can win. Yay, we won again. Oh yeah, we won again. Yes. David lost. I think our Ferrari car is really good. Okay, so let's play ladder. It's the hard one. Go race. It will be hard. So let's see if we can win or not this time. Because this is hard. Okay, so who is Tag? Yeah, A45 AMG. I think it's Mercedes-Benz. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, his car is really fast. Mercedes-Benz is dangerous. Now our will be really fast. If we can win or not. I think we will win this time. We lost. I don't like that we lost. It's bad. Okay, so now we're gonna do crew battle and it's really hard, so let's go race. Okay, first gold rushers. Okay, so her name is Ashley. Okay. Tap. Okay, so let's go and do it. Maybe this time we can win. Okay, so she's playing with us. Again. It was very close. Our was 12.585 seconds and her was 12.574 seconds. And she won. Okay, so let's play once again with her. Restart. Okay, we need. Which car is it? She's so fast. Oh, I think she has Mercedes-Benz. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we're really fast. I have to win this time. I lost again. Let's see. Oh, her is 12.574 seconds again, and I was 12.650 seconds. I lost again. Okay, so now we are doing again Legend style. So let's get started. Go race. And we take time. Oh, it's here again. So this is our Ferrari, and here's Clinton again. He brings his car again to play with us. His is Toyota 86 and ours is Ferrari 250 GTO. 3, 2, 1, go! We have to win this time. I think we're gonna win. Yeah, he's back, so we can win this time. Can we win? Oh yeah, we win! Yes! I mean this time. We got some components. Collect. Okay, so let's play more race. Next race. Okay, it's loading. We have next race. Okay, so we are doing again. Clinton. This is Toyota 86. Oh, he has black color. Okay. Rider. I think it's Mazda or McLaren or something. I don't know which one it is. I think it's Alfa Romeo. Oh, he's so super fast. He's so fast. And it's so far away. We won. Yay! We won this time. It was a close match. We got our was 12 points. Collect. Our was 12.552 second and his was 12.684 second. And we won. Okay, so if you like this